Good morning students. Welcome to the geography class of class 7th. We were doing lesson number 9 of your book. It's Africa, political division and the physical features. Topics to be discussed in this lesson are: number 1, its introduction; number 2, its location; number 3, countries and its capitals; number 4, physical features. We have done its introduction and the location. Today we will start with the countries and its capitals. Before starting with today's topic, let us recall the cross questions of the previous day topic. Number 1, what are continents? Number 2, in which hemisphere Africa lies? Number 3, what is the latitudinal extent of Africa? Number 4, name the 3 important latitudes passing through Africa. Number 5, name the surrounding water bodies of Africa. 6, what separates Africa from Europe? Number 7, name the countries of Africa through which equator passes. Number 8, why Africa is called the dark continent. Number 9, which is the largest country of Africa in area. Number 10, how much area is covered by Africa on the earth? Students, let's start with the geography of Africa. We will discuss the countries and the capitals of Africa. You have to take out page number 96. Do you know how many countries are there in Africa? Yes, there are 54 fully recognized sovereign countries. By the word sovereign, we mean free from internal and external control. Africa is divided into 5 regions as it has large number of countries. The regions are North, East, South, West and Central. We will discuss one by one. The green color in the map is representing the northern countries of Africa. There are 5 countries in the northern Africa. The first one we have marked is Morocco. Its capital is Rabat. It is well known for its medinas. Medinas are the historical cities and the places to hunt handicraft. Morocco is well known for its handicrafts like leather items, teapots, jewelry, etc. Next is Algeria and its capital is Algiers. Algeria is Africa's largest country in area and it is 10th largest country in the world. Next is Tunisia and the capital is Tunis. Tunisia is among the first country in the world in olive oil production and its exportation. Next country is Libya and its capital is Tripoli. Libya is well known for its stunning ancient Greek and the Roman architecture in the world. Libya flag is a green color field. It is the only country in the world with the flag of one color. And the next country is Egypt. Its capital is Cairo. It is famous for the ancient civilization, that is Egyptian civilization that flourished along the river Nile. Egypt is also famous for the monuments including the Giza Pyramid and the Great Sphinx. So students, these were the 5 countries in the northern Africa. Let's recall their name again. Morocco, its capital Rabat. Number 2, Algeria, its capital Algiers. Number 3, Tunisia, its capital Tunis. Number 4, Libya, its capital Tripoli. And number 5 is Egypt and its capital is Cairo. Next, we will discuss the eastern countries of Africa. First is Sudan. Its capital is Khartoum. Sudan is known as the place with the world's largest collection of pyramids. There are over 200 recorded pyramids. Sudan's capital has the wealth of tourist attraction which includes National Museum and the Camel Market. Next country is Eritrea. Its capital is Asmara. This country is best known for its coastal location. The nation has no official language as the constitution has confirmed that all the languages are equal. The next country is Ethiopia. Its capital is Addis Ababa. It is the second most populated country in Africa and the largest country in Africa in terms of population is Nigeria. More than 90 languages are spoken in Ethiopia. The Ethiopia is considered as a place of birth of coffee. The next country is Somalia. Its capital is Mogadishu. It has the longest coastline in the mainland of Africa. The people of Somalia are called Somalis. The next is Kenya and its capital is Nairobi. Kenya is best known for its landscape and the wildlife preserves. The next country is Tanzania. Its capital is Dodoma. Tanzania has the highest peak of Africa, that is Mount Kilimanjaro. It is well known for the national parks and the wildlife. Let's recall the eastern countries and the capitals once again. Number 1, Sudan. Its capital is Khartoum. Number 2, Eritrea. Its capital is Asmara. Number 3, Ethiopia. Its capital is Addis Ababa. Number 4, Somalia. Its capital is Mogadishu. Number 5, Kenya. Its capital is Nairobi. Number 6, Tanzania, and its capital is Dodoma. Students, now we will discuss the southern countries of the Africa. Number 1, it's Malawi, and its capital is Lilongwe. Malawi is often known as the warm heart of Africa. There is a lake, Malawi, in this country, after the country's name. It is the 8th largest lake in the world. The next country is Mozambique and its capital is Maputo. Mozambique is best known for its fresh seafood, tropical islands and the beautiful beaches. The next country is South Africa. Its capital is Pretoria. This country is extremely rich in mining and the minerals. It is world's largest producer of gold, platinum, chromium and the manganese. Next is Namibia and its capital is Windhoek. Namibia is the home of world's largest population of free-roaming cheetahs. The country got its name from the Namib Desert, one of the world's oldest deserts. The next country is Botswana and its capital is Gaborone. Water is so much valued in the Botswana that their currency is called Pula, which means rain or blessing in a national language. Botswana is a home to the Kalahari Desert in the south. Now, the next is Zimbabwe and its capital is Harare. The country shares its border with Zambia, Mozambique, South Africa and Botswana. The next is Zambia and its capital is Lusaka. Zambia boasts Victoria Fall, the largest waterfall in the world. Now students, let's recall the southern countries and its capitals. Number 1, Malawi and its capital is Lilongwe. Number 2, Mozambique and its capital is Maputo. Number 3, South Africa and its capital is Pretoria. Number 4, Namibia and its capital is Windhoek. Number 5, Botswana and its capital is Gaborone. Number 6, it's Zimbabwe and its capital is Harare. Number 7, Zambia and its capital is Lusaka. Now students, we will discuss the western countries of Africa. Number 1, it's Angola and its capital is Luanda. Angola is oil-rich country in the southern Africa. Luanda is also known as the Paris of Africa due to its sophisticated culture. It is also one of the most expensive country in the world. The next country is Congo and its capital is Brazzaville. This country shares its border with Gabon, Cameroon, Central African Republic and Democratic Republic of Congo. The next country is Gabon. Its capital is Libreville. This country lies on equator. It enjoys tropical climate, hot and humid weather throughout the year. The next country is Cameroon and its capital is Yaoundé. This country is roughly the same size of Spain in Europe but have only the half population of Spain. The next country is Nigeria and its capital is Abuja. Nigeria is the 7th most populous country of the world and it is the largest country of Africa in population. The country film industry is known as Nollywood. It is the second largest film industry in the world. The next country is Benin. Its capital is Porto Novo. Its official language is French. The next country is Togo. Its capital is Lome. The country shares its border with Burkina Faso, Niger, Benin, and Ghana. The next country is Ghana and its capital is Accra. Ghana was ranked as Africa's most peaceful country by Global Peace Index. Lake Volta in the Volta region of the country is the world's largest man-made lake. The next is Côte d'Ivoire and its capital is Yamoussoukro. This country is well known for its sandy beaches and the green rainforest. The next country is Liberia and its capital is Monrovia. This is a hot country covering an area of about 43,000 square miles. It is a home to around 700 species of birds. The next country is Sierra Leone. Its capital is Freetown. By the word Sierra Leone we mean roaring mountains. How this country has got its name? As an intense thunderstorms were encountered in its mountainous region. That's why the Portuguese give its name as Roaring Mountains or the Lion's Mountain. The next country is Guinea. It is a small coastal country of the West Africa. Its capital is Conakry. Around 60% of the land is classified as the woodland or forest. The next is Gambia. It is the smallest country of Africa's mainland. Its capital is Banjul. The next country is Senegal and its capital is Dakar. This country has got the title of the westernmost country of the Western Africa. The next country is Mauritania. Its capital is Nouakchott. If you see Mauritania from the space, you can see a clear bull's eye, an image called the Eye of Africa. It shares its border with Western Sahara, Mali, and Senegal. The next country is Western Sahara and its capital is El Ain. This country has typically hot climate with the hot desert. This country is sparsely populated in the world. Now students, let's discuss the Western countries we have done. Number 1, Angola and its capital is Luanda. Number 2, it's Congo and the capital is Brazzaville. Number 3, Gabon and its capital is Libreville. Next is Cameroon and its capital is Yaoundé. Next, Nigeria and its capital is Abuja. Next is Benin and its capital is Porto Novo. Next, Togo and its capital is Lome. Next, we have done Ghana and its capital is Accra. Next, Côte d'Ivoire and its capital is Yamoussoukro. The next is Liberia and its capital is Monrovia. We have done Sierra Leone and its capital is Freetown. Next, we have done Guinea and its capital is Conakry. Next is Gambia and its capital is Banjul. Next is Senegal and its capital is Dakar. Next, we have done Mauritania and its capital is Nouakchott. Next, we have done Western Sahara and its capital is El Ain. Now students, we will discuss the central countries of the Africa. The first country is Mali and its capital is Bamako. It is 8th largest country in Africa and it is the 23rd largest country in the world. The official language of the Mali is French. The next country is Niger and its capital is Niamey. Niger is considered as one of the hottest nations in the world. It is also known as the frying pan of the world. The next country is Chad and its capital is N'Djamena. The Chad gained independence from the France in 1960. It is the largest of 16 landlocked countries in Africa. The next country is Central African Republic and its capital is Bangui. This country shares its border with Cameroon, Chad, Sudan, Zaire and Congo. The next country is Democratic Republic of Congo. It is also known as Zaire. Its capital is Kinshasa. It is the second largest country in Africa and it is 11th largest country in world. The next country is Uganda and its capital is Kampala. It shares its border with Sudan, Kenya, Tanzania and Democratic Republic of Congo, that is Zaire. Now students, let's recall the central countries with its capitals. Number 1, Mali and the capital is Bamako. Number 2, Niger and its capital is Niamey. Number 3, Chad and its capital is N'Djamena. Number 4, Central African Republic and its capital is Bangui. Number 6, Democratic Republic of Congo and its capital is Kinshasa. Next is Uganda and its capital is Kampala. With this, we have completed the political division of Africa. Thank you and have a nice day.